I keep saying this everywhere. This ancient technology called pen and paper is more powerful for your brain than any digital app or device. And if you are a student, a teacher, or a school leader, this truth matters even more today. Imagine you are in a classroom during an important lesson. The teacher is explaining concepts that will shape your future learning. Half the students are typing on laptops or tablets, screens glowing. The other half are writing by hand, slower, more deliberate, pen to paper. Everyone is absorbing the same information, but inside their brains, something extraordinary is happening. The students typing, only a small region of the brain is active, just enough to move the fingers. The rest of the brain is quiet. But the students writing by hand, their brains are fully alive. Multiple learning centers firing together, motor skills, memory, attention, language, visual processing. But the students writing by hand, their brains are fully alive. Multiple learning centers firing together, motor skills, memory, attention, language, visual processing. Same class, same content, two very different learning experiences. And this isn't imagination, this is neuroscience. Today, we live in a digital-first world. Children are swiping before they can speak, typing before they learn to hold a pencil correctly. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Faster isn't smarter. Convenience isn't learning. Research from Princeton and UCLA proved this clearly. Students who typed notes wrote more words, long, perfect notes. But when tested for understanding, they scored nearly 20% lower. Why? Typing creates an illusion of learning. You feel productive, but your brain is not processing deeply. Handwriting forces your brain to think, filter, organize, and create meaning. It activates deep learning. And for schools, this is critical. Students who write by hand understand better, retain longer, and develop sharper thinking skills. This is exactly why Veda Handwriting Lab trains students and teachers in scientific handwriting systems. In our school programs, we don't just teach handwriting, we strengthen learning ability. Because handwriting is not only about neat notebooks, it is about building the brain. When students practice scientific handwriting daily, their memory improves, focus becomes sharper, confidence grows, writing speed and clarity increase, exam performance rises, learning becomes deep and permanent. Neuroscientists have found that handwriting generates powerful brain waves, theta and alpha waves, responsible for learning, comprehension, and long-term memory. These waves do not appear when typing on keyboards or screens. Handwriting demands active thinking. Each letter is formed with intention. The hand, the eyes, and the brain move together. This is why Veda's method works. We train schools, teachers, and students in correct letter strokes, muscle memory writing, proper pen grip, light pen pressure, book angle and posture, uniform size and spacing, slow to fast speed training. We see this in classrooms across India every day. Students who struggled suddenly excel, not because the syllabus changed, but because their brain learning system upgraded. Digital tools are wonderful, and we use them too, but foundational skills can never be replaced. Your brain was designed for handwriting. Your creativity flows through your fingers, not your keyboard. Students who write well, think well. Students who think well, succeed well.
School management had introduced this program, and this is very useful for me, and it helped me to improve my handwriting skills.